Hi, my name's John Sutter from Abicor Binzel. I'm a key account manager for the Laser Systems Group. I'm here to talk today about the RLW-A Laser Optic System. This is a remote optical system that's designed to weld with lasers and track a seam onto parts without touching the part at all. Some of the features and benefits of this laser welding optic are the ability to reduce flange size and material thickness, thus reducing weight. The RLW-A also employs a laser-based seam tracking system. It's 3 stripes on the part that allows for redundancy, ensuring accuracy on weld placement on the part. Scansonic has also employed a camera-based monitoring system onto this optic that is called SCeye. The SCeye system allows the user to record videos during a weld, and this also records data from the optical system. It can tell you where your positioning mirrors are, it can tell you the depth of the seam, it can tell you the changes in the seam, and it records these throughout the welding process. One of the things that sets this optic apart from others on the market is the extremely fast response time of the galvos, or the galvometers. These are the mirrors that position the laser beam, and they can operate up to 1,000 hertz. These are the fastest galvos on the market available. Scansonic has employed their modular system that they call Scapacs to this optic, as well as all of their optics. This allows the user to custom tailor an optic for their welding application. Another option available to this optic is called X on the fly. This allows the weld to be placed faster than the robot is traveling. This allows for decreased cycle time and maximized laser on time. Gap bridging technology available in this optic reduces the fixturing costs by bridging gaps in between the parts. Beam oscillation is also available for this optic. This can allow for larger weld sizes, or it can allow for longer liquification times, which is sometimes important in metals like aluminum, which solidify a little too quickly and creates cracks. Total cost of ownership is also very important to consider with laser welding optics. The maintenance costs for this optic are considerably lower. One of the reasons for that is the smaller sized cover glass. This also lends itself to greatly reduced air consumption for the crossjet. One of the key benefits of laser welding on parts is the reduced heat input. This optic allows for a very small spot size, which reduces the size of the heat affected zone on the part. The HMI and programming software for this laser optic is a new package for Scansonic, and it allows a user to comprehensively program and monitor the operation of the optic during a weld. Thank you for your attention on the RLW-A laser welding optic. If there are questions that we didn't answer in this video, please contact your local laser key account manager for Abicor Binzel, or you can go to binzel-abicor.com. I'm John Sutter. Thanks for watching.